Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to remove headphone symbol in your Redmi phone. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing headphone symbol in your Redmi phone, then I will show you how to remove this option. First of all, you just need to go to the settings. Here you need to find additional setting option. I am using Vivo phone, so I can't show that option here. After finding additional setting, you just need to find sound effect. Under sound effect, you will find one option, turn off MI sound enhancer. You can see like this, MI sound enhancer. You just need to disable this option. After disabling this, then go back and you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove headphone symbol in your Redmi phone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.